In today's video, I am going to be using two powerful proven indicators, MACD fractal chaos bonds. These two indicators have shown me very good results when I use them in the market. I'm going to break down everything step by step to showcase how powerful these strategies are, and I hope in today's video all of you learn something new and something that you can apply to whatever strategy you may have already. So let's get into the video. I'm gonna be setting the time frame to 15 seconds candle, okay, and I'm going to use 1 minute expiration. Okay, I'm gonna select fractal chaos bond. Now I'm gonna widen the lines, guys, because the wider the lines, it can capture enough price movements. I'm going to be explaining everything to you guys, but I just wanted to have a brief understanding of why I am changing the period. Okay, now you can choose whichever color please you. I'm just choosing these colors because it sits right with me in this strategy. Now for the MACD, I'm gonna be tweaking the periods also. I'm gonna decrease that one right there. Then I'm going to leave these colors, guys. I'm not gonna trouble this one, to be honest. It's okay. I like to see the MACD like this. Okay, this is the settings, guys. Okay, so what am I looking for right here? I'm gonna explain to you guys now. As you see right here, the price came into the area of the fractal chaos band. Now, if you look closely below, you can see that the MACD is about to cross. Also, the histograms is the reason why I just entered, because I know that MACD will cross and come down. Okay, now as you see, there was a momentum coming down also, so I'm expecting the price to just come all the way down, because we have just entered inside of the fractal chaos band. As you see, this is the band right here, and the price enters inside of the fractal chaos band, so I'm expecting price to continue and go further down. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, beautiful, guys, beautiful. That trade was a winning trade. Okay, so there was another opportunity right here again. Let me show you guys real quick. Let me show you guys real quick. As you can see, the price breaks inside of the fractal chaos band right here. Okay, and you see that MACD has crossed, the histograms also has formed. So all of these guys increase my confidence. I'm expecting price to go down. Okay, and this is the way you have to trade. You have to look for multiple confluences and then you add them together. All right, you add all the confluences until you feel confident enough, you enter that particular trade. So let's see what's going to happen for this result right here. Beautiful. I'm gonna take this for 3. Let me put one more in so that I could make some profit. Alright guys, this trade here is a very beautiful one, because we could see that the price was in a momentum phase, if you notice right here. Price is coming down very strongly, so that increases my confidence. I'm expecting price to go downward furthermore, and MACD cross confidently, and we know that when MACD becomes wider, it becomes stronger. Plus there's a lot of histograms right here. You see that, guys? There's a lot. Now my confidence for this particular trade has increased. Let's see what's gonna happen, if I'm gonna win this trade or not. Now I have about 15 seconds on this candle here. I'm confident about this trade, but remember, there's no 100% in the market. Each strategy has a failing period. Okay, always remember that. Okay, so I won about 3 and lose 1, no problem right there. Okay, my entry right here is not good, but let's explain this trade real quick. Okay, as you guys see right here, there was a situation with this green candle. You notice it breaks outside of the fractal chaos band, which is right here. Now the price came back inside the fractal chaos band right here in this candle, right? As you see, MACD also is about to cross. It crossed slightly, and the histogram is there, which increases my confidence. So I'm expecting price to go down at least to this level right here. Okay, and this is all you have to trade, guys. Add your confluences and stick to your plan, whichever plan you have for your session. Let's see if this trade is gonna be a winning trade. So this trade is a draw right there. I don't know what's happening to me, guys. I draw my 2 trades recently. This is the reason why anyway, it doesn't matter. Once you stick to a strategy, you will see good results. That's how the market works. Let's analyze this strategy. This right here. Now I saw that there was a push to the downside by this candle here, and we're already inside of the band, right? Fractal chaos band. MACD officially crossed confident. Oh my bad. MACD crossed officially, and there was multiple histogram. So now my confidence is increased. I'm expecting price to come at least to the end of this band here and probably reverse or continue. Let's see what's gonna happen here, guys. You see that? That's what I'm talking about, guys. Beautiful. See that? That's how trading is. Let's find another opportunity. Gonna be taking one more. Let me explain this trade real quick. You guys see this sharp movement right here from the MACD, okay? This shows us that the price is very active and it wants to go downward. All right, now if you pay attention closely here, this is an engulfing candle, right? And we entered the fractal chaos band, which is right here. See that? Now if you pay attention even closely at the bottom here, you see that there is multiple histogram signals telling us downward activity is active. And remember, MACD is so good at detecting momentums and directions in the market, and we add it with different confluences. One confluence is 2, 3. Okay guys, that was a winning trade basically while I was explaining. But yeah, if you want to learn more about price action, candlestick psychology, watch this video on your screen right here.